Ay, supina. Halo, kalam salam kullu Nepali. Kalam Nepali.
नेपाली
Ay.
सुना तो नेपाली
Nepali bolo, ada wadi ada Nepal.
आहे बा आना नेपाली ध्रुव नेपाली ल ओके ग्रिस
मैं भी अंता कलस मैं मुश्किल. Ana soya kalam Hindi क्या बोलता? क्या ली? So everyone continues ito sa vlog. So this is my friend hydraulic mechanic. 1 hour all around the mechanics. So you can fix everything.
My friend is Durba.
And then there's my friend continues to the engine when I was vlog before. So hi Dorba.
सिंह जाएगा लेके आएगा छोड़ेगा नहीं
And so the wife of Dorba, Anju Tamang. So now they fix already the now the cylinder head. Oh, you fix cylinder head. Okay, continues. Now fix the cylinder head and the valve. This is the rod. Ada post rod connecting rod. That how many this one is 6. Now they fix. Okay. Continues. Because when I first upload is or before video is problem, not complete.
लाइव
So this is connecting rod, post rod, 6 cylinder. Push rod. One of my friend electrician specialist. The name is Ayan, Naren, and one of the Manawar, all around the mechanic. See, now he fixed the cylinder. Ada badel talata pistons, huh? Now setting the valve. Now put the push rod. Okay. Na-upload tani marang. Tani Wahid bas hi, hello. Madam Anju. Big shout out to all Nepal. Shout out everyone Nepal. Welcome to my vlog and the mechanic. The name is Dorba, the specialist for the engine. So they fix already the cylinder because yesterday is not yet finished. Now they fix already. Now they fix and then mix it. Okay, continues. Ana wadi anta so madam messenger. Mas Wahid video mo karab. Wadi dara type party range pia kuno. Now the assistant mechanic is coming. Hello hello. This is a very handsome Ayan. It's a single. So the father of
Turn white bar.
Yun na. Oh. I will assist.
That's good.
So
Yeah.
now put the
Satu deh.
exhaust. Now fix the pipe.
Ini ada apa John? Kita silinder, kemana silinder kelas?
Kalas bro.
वाटर पंप 8 सिलेंडर था ना, टेस्ट कर दिया। दीदी जी बोलते हैं मैकेनिक चाहिए साथ में, बहुत चाहिए। थोड़ी नहीं, जाओ मत नहीं करो।
Now finish. Jimmy kalas nom. Mapinom alin. Now put the cylinder head cover. Now finish. Now fix the cylinder head cover. Assistant, quickly. Mr. Ayan. Mr. Ayan.
उधर लगाएगा नजर।
Now finish. Thank you so much for watching. Kung sino pang hindi if you don't yet subscribe with me, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Chidoro Alas. So we continue to remove the another side. Black. Okay. Don't forget to click and share the notification bell and subscribe. Don't forget to like and share, okay my friend. Miss Anju Tamang, mega love shout out to you and to your son and to all your family, mega love shout out. So check another side. So I will update you after. Now another side, he fix the nozzle. New nozzle, replace the new one. This 3 nozzle for the cylinder injector for the diesel. Fuel injector nozzle. So this is the rocker arms for the bulb. Now fix. Hello. Di ba?
Di database.
Ata easy. Kalanjut dia habis. Yalah.
Habis. Pergi lah. Pergi lah.
Ian, pergi.
बड़े बड़े गिले ये वाला नोजल की
नोजल के
ये वाला
हाँ कितना 10 है दूसरा लेके आओ जल्दी करो This is a good man. I am joking only. I am joking. हाँ
ये डाल दिया तुमने ये नहीं अब डाला नहीं डाला എന്താ बोलो अगला कर दी ها؟ ما يركب خالص يركب خلاص انا عبد الوهاب في حراره
pneumatic Dorpa saya cek. Hah? Karabam api. Silinder. Okay.
الفلتر كامل هذا خليه بسرعة هذا بيطلع زيت بيركب زيت خلاص هذا بيركب
Okay, now that is now finished. Okay, now put the cover away. Now finish. Then put the engine oil.
क्रोम अभी क्रोम
Okay, we'll go downstairs.
Yeah. Hello guys.
It's already. Okay, now preparing for put the engine oil and change the filter. Hala 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 hala. Hala 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 hala. Rajak is number 1. Okay. Finish that what? Now only check the engine if the one is okay or after the running I will give you an update. Now remove the diesel air. So valve setting finished already. So I did not put the video for the valve setting. So the finish already for the setting. So now after that we check the engine and then start and then the work is finished. Now all of the mechanic busy. Now fix the cylinder cover. So finish. Diesel air finish and then valve setting finish. Use for the filler gauge. The filter cleaning and then after that start the engine. So now we start the engine and then after that finish. That's Mr. Wahab. Remove the air cleaner. Air cleaner remove and then clean, put the air, clean the filter. I will update. Engine start, finish. Good job. So one of the truck 199, so that one is the cylinder number 6 problem. So I will check already to my diagnose laptop. So after this another car check.
Stone पे पड़ी है stone को पकड़ना ना okay.
Now success start already. Last Dorba start. Finish the job. Success. Now start already. Sino bang hindi nakasubscribe? Subscribe na. Who can not yet subscribe for my YouTube channel, please subscribe and then you can update my next upload. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay, start already. Now
shout out to all my friends, so please subscribe Sankyo Momsy Azumi's channel. Shirley Official. G Cooking. Zen Carl. Vlog ni Bulo. Inde Jean Adedoya. Pinoy Hawaii Farmer. Annabelle Javier. Austin's Vlogs. PapZY78. La K Tubero TV. Lola Fems TV. Menamin Quat. Nigo and Family. Lysram TV. Abigail Aoba. Interrupskano. Sam. Thank you for watching.